Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of failure. Failure to succeed. For example, an economic policy that is doomed to failure. The second definition of failure. The failure to take the expected or required action. For example, their failure to comply with the basic rules. American pronunciation. Failure. Failure. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Failure. Say. Failure. Failure means lack of success. Failure. Failure. Failure origin. Original meaning of failure in the mid-17th century, Anglo-Norman French failure. Old French failure is also seen as failure. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Hence, the high rate of hatching failure in bee-eaters requires explanation. Now, repeat after me. Hence, the high rate of hatching failure in bee-eaters requires explanation. The second practice. He is thus responsible for the success or failure of his policies. Now, repeat after me. He is thus responsible for the success or failure of his policies.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.